Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have not made a video in a while. I've been quite busy. I'm going to fill you guys on that or about that. I'm going to give you guys a gist. That's a whole other video. So in today's video, from the title, oh, by the way, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, that's about it. So on today's video, from the title, you know what I'll be talking about. Let's just go straight to the point. I don't want to beat around the bush, right? So we all know, as Nigerian students, we are always at the receiving end whenever Asuu and federal government goes on their thug of war battle of cat and rat. Anyway, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 8 ideas or opportunities that you can work with, things you can do that can actually fetch you money while you're waiting for Asuu to go on strike. Sorry, while you're waiting for Asuu to call off strike, and even when Asuu calls off strike, you can still continue making money from them. So let's get right into the video. So number one is, so first of all, I would like to say that as we all know, the world is going digital and the world is going tech-ish, whatever that means. Okay, so I would advise you to get a digital skill, right? So it could be digital marketing. You could learn digital marketing, right? So Google has this free platform where they teach digital marketing to Africans. So if you're an African, if you're in Nigeria, you're an African, obviously. So you can learn from Google and it is free and you learn at your own pace. So my friend just said I'm talking too fast, so let me slow down. Okay, so Google has this free digital skill, right? That they are like digital training for digital marketing, right? So you learn at your own pace and you get a certificate afterwards. Imagine getting a certificate from Google themselves. That is amazing. Okay, that's one. I think I'm going to just drop some of the links in my description below. Then you can learn programming. You can learn any programming language, Java, JavaScript, Python, anything like that. You can learn web development and stuff like that. Then you can go on to learn graphic design. Yeah. Now the good thing about these skills is that these skills are skills that people are always looking for somebody that can actually do these things on a daily basis, right? So you know, go really struggle to find job. And then I'm going to drop a link to one of my friend's book that he wrote. It's a very short book, but it's quite it has a lot. Like, it tells you or it helps you navigate when you're looking for remote jobs. It tells you the sites you can get jobs and that you can do from the comfort of your home. Do you understand? So another thing you could learn is animation. Yeah, so that's a skill that people use these days a lot. Most companies and businesses actually use animations to do some sort of adverts or presentation and stuff like that. So if you know how to animate, you're gonna make some money. The next one, video editing. Yes, a lot of people are looking for video editors because video editing is not easy. Believe me, video editing is not that easy. It is not easy. So if you learn video editing, you could help YouTubers edit videos, you could help businesses edit videos, you could help content creators edit videos and stuff, and you will make money from the comfort of your house. That is the beautiful part of this. Let's move on. You can learn to become a social media manager, right? You help people manage their social media accounts. You could help them with maybe content creation or content ideas. You could help them post and stuff like that. Not everybody likes posting. Myself too, I really don't like post. Like, I seldomly post on my Insta. It's just, sometimes it's just stressful. Sometimes you just want to go to Insta and just view people's stories. And a lot of business owners rather are looking for social media managers. Somebody that will help them schedule their posts and do this and do that, write caption and stuff. I'm talking too fast. Okay. Then you can also learn social media marketing. Social media marketing has to do with some sort of adverts on social media. So how you could learn how to do Instagram ads the right way, how to do Facebook ads the right way and stuff. Then you could learn, what else? Well, anyways, there are lots of things you could actually learn these days from the comfort of your house, as long as you have as long as you have a smartphone and you have internet connection. So I'm going to drop a link to the Google Digital Skills for Africa stuff that you can take, and it is absolutely free. And when you pass your exam, you get a certificate. Then I'm also going to drop a link to my friend's book. It's called Remote Works by Aum Kenneth, and you are going to find that book quite helpful. Then, yeah, then you can watch a lot of videos on YouTube, right? That's the beauty about YouTube. You can learn a lot of things from YouTube, and you can still market the things you've learned on YouTube. Isn't that just amazing? So, okay, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. I'm going to try to respond to your questions as fast as possible. If you need anything, just let me know and I will get right onto it. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you watch this video to this extent, you are an absolute darling and I love you. I'm going to see you guys in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video.